Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. And today, first of all, thank you for coming in and stopping by for another special STEM project. Today's project is bottle rockets. So, you need a 2-liter bottle. If you don't have one, that's fine. You can use a smaller bottle, like a water bottle, anything like that. 3 pencils, unsharpened is best. Duct tape, a cork that fits in the soda bottle or whatever bottle you have. A paper towel, baking soda, and vinegar. Okay, so we have our vinegar. We have our baking soda. We have a cork. But if you can't find a cork, no worries. If you have a pool noodle, you can cut it up, fit it into the bottle to act as a cork. So our duct tape and pencils are on already. That's to make a base for, or to make legs for your rocket, and of course the bottle itself. Okay, so you can decorate your bottle however you want. So if you want to do it, that's fine. I'm just going to keep it real simple. And so as you can see, it's standing on its own legs, which are the pencils held up by the duct tape. Okay, now what we're going to do very carefully is, first, I'm just going to get our baking soda ready. If you have a paper towel, just use a piece of it and maybe put in like 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then, now who has worked with baking soda and vinegar before? Right. So what have you done, and what happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda together? A whole lot of reaction. That is correct. So that's what we're hoping to create today to make our rocket move. Okay? So we're hoping for a reaction that moves our rocket. When you put it together, you want to be oh so careful. So if you need help, do not hesitate to ask for help from any parent, older sibling, caregiver, because while we appreciate you and wanting to do science, we appreciate and honor your safety first and foremost above anything else. All right, so I'm gonna put that to the side. I put the baking soda in a piece of paper towel and just gonna fold it. Okay, we're just going to fold it nice and tight. Make a little packet and make sure that it can fit into the bottle. So it's a little thick, so I'm just gonna have to redo it a little bit. And that's okay if you have to take some out. I'm just gonna take a little bit out. Okay, so that just can roll this up, fold it up, and it can fit right into the bottle. Okay, I'm going to make sure that the sides are nice and twisted. Okay, it's a little sloppy. Make sure it can fit right into the bottle. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to set this to the side right here. Now, got the vinegar here. And this is about 2 cups. So I'm going to use a cup of vinegar. So I have another little cup right here. I'm just going to measure that out. Pour it right in. Pour it here. into the bottle. Actually, I have a little funnel. So funnel ensures that it goes right there in the bottle. No mess. Okay. Now, I have a little plastic piece here that'll act as a stand. And so we put the vinegar in the bottle. I have this little piece of plastic that will act as a stand. And of course, we have our rolled up paper towel that has our baking soda in it. I'm going to now go to this next table, take everything, and see if we can get a reaction. Okay, I'm going to close that up. Move these guys out the way. Okay, let's see what we can get. Alright. Move it back here. Twist this a little tighter. Now I'm not just going to drop it right in. I'm just going to carefully slide it in. Okay? Make sure it's hanging out just a little bit before I put the cork in. Now try this way. Make sure the cork has everything. Okay, so it's fit. So now, I'll show you. So it's already in. Vinegar is down here. I'm going to take our stand. Yeah. And move out the way. Oh, let's see what happens. And I'm moving a little closer. Wow! Wow! Did you see that? Cool, right? That's why you have to be oh so careful. What happened was, we had our vinegar, we had our baking soda, and slowly but surely when the two combined, because of the cork, all of that pressure contained in it, in the bottle, had to be released. And of course, because it's in a bottle, boom, caused a reaction and the bottle flew. Thus, we have a successful rocket bottle flight. Say that 3 times. A successful bottle rocket flight. Well, I hope you are inspired to try it. You don't have to use a big bottle. You can use a small bottle, just like I said. You can use a little bottle like this, or a medium-sized bottle. If you can't find a cork, use a pool noodle to act as your cork. And be careful, okay? So once again, if you need a parent to help you out, if you need an older sibling to help you out, feel free to get that help, but the results are worth it. Alright, so this is Miss T again from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library, and I also want to remind everybody that if you are interested, our summer reading program is in full effect. So give us a call at the library or go to our website, www.plainfieldlibrary.info. Sign up online, read, and then at the end of our program, join us so that you can earn prizes and celebrate your summer hard work. Take care, everybody, and until we meet again, be safe. Bye for now.